Unlock the power to trade your stablecoin USDT for the lightning-fast Litecoin, all within the secure embrace of your SafePal wallet. Let's dive into a seamless process to convert your USDT to Litecoin, or LTC, directly from your SafePal app. First, open your SafePal wallet and navigate to the D-App browser section. From there, locate and tap on the Swap icon. This will bring you to the integrated exchange interface. Now, you'll need to select your currencies. Tap on the From field and choose USDT from your available assets. Then, tap on the To field and select Litecoin, LTC. Enter the exact amount of USDT you wish to convert. The screen will dynamically display an estimated amount of LTC you'll receive based on current market rates. Take a moment to review this estimated conversion. You can also see the current exchange rate displayed clearly. Before proceeding, pay close attention to the estimated transaction fees. These are crucial for a smooth transaction. Once you're satisfied with the amounts and fees, tap on the Confirm or Swap button. You'll be prompted to review the transaction details one last time. This includes the amount, the destination address, which will be your SafePal LTC wallet, and any associated network fees. Carefully verify this information to authorize the swap. You may need to enter your wallet's password or use your biometric authentication. And that's it. Your USDT to LTC swap is now initiated. You can monitor the status of your transaction within the SafePal app's transaction history. It's always a good practice to keep an eye on exchange rate fluctuations. If you're aiming for the best possible conversion, this direct swap feature within SafePal ensures a secure and efficient way to diversify your crypto holdings without leaving your wallet.